So for our first piece of work, we're going to go into our Google Classroom. We're going to go to classwork. On the left side, for my topics, I'm going to find writing. And our first piece of work, what I'm looking for is this, irregular verbs, drag and drop. I want to open that up so that I can find exactly what it says, a drag and drop activity for us to do with irregular verbs. It'll look like this. Yes, Bailey.
Yesterday I did it because on the work it said due yesterday.
Yeah,
It
like I
said
said,
due
if you started on it already, that's completely fine. But we're gonna go ahead and do it today, okay? Okay. So like I said, usually what will happen with verbs is when they become past tense, you just put an ed at the end. But the irregular verbs don't do that. They don't follow that same rule. Irregular verbs change. They become a different word when it becomes past tense. Sometimes you just change the ending. Some of them become completely new words. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these irregular verbs over here and we're going to drag them where we think they belong. Okay? So on one side, you see that it says present tense. So those are the regular version of that verb. What we use when that verb is happening right now. Then you have past tense. Past tense is what happened if that verb happened yesterday, or if it happened last week. How would you say it then? So I'm going to do an example for you all, and then I'm going to give you some time to go ahead and do it on your own. Okay, so for our example, if I take the verb eat, eat would be like today, if you're going to do that right now. I'm I'm going to eat breakfast. But if it's something that happened in the past, it isn't eat anymore. It would be ate. So I would take the box that says ate and put it in the past tense. Okay? Now, what I will do is I'm going to show you guys where all the present tense verbs are going to go, and then I'll give you some time to try to match them to the right past tense. Okay? So in present tense, we're also going to put the verb see. We're going to put go. We're going to put run. We're going to put break. I'm going to put speak. I'm going to put wake next. Then we'll put drive. Then we'll put forget next. Oh, and then finally we'll put drink. All right? So we'll leave the present tense in this order. I'm going to give you a few minutes right now to open this up and put the past tense, all of these past tense, and match them with the correct present tense verb. And then we'll go back and we'll check them. We'll see if we got them correct or if we made any mistakes. Now that we have all our present tense verbs, we're going to take our past tense verbs, see which ones match with them. So we already said that ate is the past tense of eat. Who thinks they can tell me what is the past tense of see? What word would we use if you see something but it was yesterday? Saya?
saw.
Okay, saw. Past tense of see should be saw. What about go? Who can tell me what is the past tense of go? Kaylee, what is the past tense of go?
Went.
Went. Went is the one that matches with go. All right. What is the past tense of run? Which one of our verbs is the past tense of run? Kylie.
Ran.
Ran. All right. What about break? What is the past tense of break? Okay.
Broke.
Broke. What about speak? What is the past tense of speak? Bella, what's the past tense of speak? And if your microphone's not working with you, Bella, you can go ahead and put it into the chat. Oh, there you go. Spoke. You're right. Spoke is the past tense of speak. All right. What about wake? Who can give me the correct match for wake? Alexa?
Oak.
Which one?
Oak.
Woke. All right. What about drive? Who can give me the pair for drive? Okay?
Drove.
Drove. Oh, hold on. There we go. Okay. Last two. Who can give me, well, I mean, really, if you give me one, you give me the other. So, who can give me the last two? Forget and drink. What are the matches for forget and drink? Bailey?
For for I forgot, but do you remember the drink one?
Okay, what is it?
Droke. Or wait, what?
Which one is it?
It's I'm doing the 10 or number 10 because I don't remember for the past tense forgot.
Well, remember, there's only two left, so if you can give me one, you can give me the other one. What's the past tense for drink?
Drunk.
We have drank, which means what is the past tense of forget?
Forgot.
Forgot. All right. So that's what our page should look like. I'll give you a little bit of time. That way, in case we put anything in the wrong place, we can go ahead and fix that now.